Hey guys, welcome back to D&E's Eclectic Domain. Today we're going to cook a 1-pound meatloaf. That's hopefully going to feed you for up to 2 days, or it will feed a family of 4 with a couple sides. So let's get started. First thing is you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees and then get your ingredients ready. You're going to want Worcestershire sauce, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need 1.5 tablespoons or to taste. If you're not a big fan of that big, deep, rich, meaty flavor, then you can go a little lighter, go a little heavier. Then you're going to want Italian-style breadcrumbs. I like the Progresso. You're going to want 2/3 of a cup of the Progresso breadcrumbs, 1 pound of 80% lean ground beef, 1 egg, well beaten, and 1/4 cup of chopped onion. So now, remove your drink of choice from your baking pan. I like to use an 8x4x4 Pyrex baking pan. Pyrex is a brand name. You use any glass baking pan. Give it a light coating of grease. Take a paper towel, smear it all around to get all the corners in there. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. Let's go with a pound of ground beef, 2/3 cup of our Progresso breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup chopped onion, and I'm doing 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And let's not forget our egg. So now that we got our egg well beaten, just mix it all together. Mix it up good till you get a nice, fine, even loaf. Once you have it all mixed together and pressed nice and tight into your glass pan, you're going to put it in the oven at 325 for 45 minutes. And then get your sauces ready. Alright, so while that's cooking, get your sauces ready, whether it be your favorite ketchup or barbecue sauce. I made my own concoction here. It's very sweet up front, it's got a kick on the back end. If you guys want me to do a video on this sauce and give you the recipe, as soon as we hit 50 likes, I'll do a video on the sauce. Until then, yeah, we're gonna wait till the meat's done. Alright, just pulled it out of the oven. Make sure you pull it out early. It's better to pull out early than too late. Now, I'm going to coat it with my sauce. Like I said, you can use whatever ketchup or barbecue sauce you want. Just give it a nice, good coating. And then you're going to throw it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. What I like to do is put it on the oven on a low broil for 5 to 7 minutes in there. But if you don't want to go through the hassle, just put it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes and let the sauce soak in. Alright, and when you take the meatloaf out, you want to make sure to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, you should have something that resembles a tasty hunk of meat. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.